Okay, also we had to make some upgrades to this baby forest chameleon's enclosure here. We needed more horizontal perches for him, so we added in a Fluker's Benda branch. And then we also added in this maidenhair fern. It wasn't cluttered up enough. But I'm really, really happy on how it looks now. And this is going to help keep the humidity up. We need it to always stay above 75%. And then I think we're not quite done yet. I think I would like to add that Zoom Med frog moss in there in a couple of the back areas, and that'll even help even more with the humidity since it's so important with these guys as babies. Then we got UVB 5.0 overhead, LED grow light. And we're reintroducing him back after the upgrade here. Such an amazing species.